Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to pack my check-in luggage, which is extremely large. Is it large? No. Yeah. Today we're gonna pack my check-in luggage. We are gonna go through the clothes, the shoes, the electronics maybe? I'm not sure what we can fit in there because honestly, I'm trying to pack as light as possible so I can fit more in there. Or we'll just bring an extra duffel bag for a just in case, or we might end up buying some kind of luggage or bag from there to bring home. He's gonna kill me. So let's see what we can fit. Please excuse the mess, but here is a quick overview of all of our things and all that clothes. Toiletries, bags after bags, all these loose items, they need to go in the bags. So I like to start off with these little packing cubes. They're not the traditional like nylon kind of squared shaped materials. This is like a soft fabric material, which I really like because you can mold your clothes into the shape and just kind of maneuver them into your luggage easily. So I'm going to speed up the process a bit just because we have a lot to pack. Downsizing to a smaller packing cube, I'm going to sort out my tops. So here's a tip. Always pack 1 to 2 extra sets and carry it with you in case if your, knock on wood, your luggage does get lost or there is a delay, at least you have some clothes with you. I like to use the tiny little ones for my undergarments, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to pack it real quick so you don't see it. Again, these are perfect because they're easy to mold into the shape of your items. So now to the fun part, toiletries. So because I'm going to be packing all this stuff, we need to put on some music. Yes, that is a padlock that we are hoping to visit the bridge or that gated area in Paris where we can put our lock on there. I cannot stress on how helpful it is to bring disposable things. So we're bringing a whole bunch of these one-time use hand wipes, disinfection wipes, alcohol wipes, just because it's easy, less bottles. But we are bringing extra sanitation and disinfecting products just to clean everything. Just like these little jars that I reused. I speak more on this in my what I pack in my carry-on backpack in case video. Another tip, you always want to make sure all your electronics, steamers, whatever you're bringing are charged, they work, just because it's not a great feeling to arrive to your destination and it doesn't work. So here I'm just reorganizing all the little loose things to fit in this bag. All my liquid bottles, I place a saran wrap at the opening as well as tightening it super tight with a piece of tape at the top spout, just so that if it does explode, it only explodes in that little section. Another tip is to pack your own medicine. I like to bring, flu, cold medicine, Sudafed, Benadryl in case if I break out for whatever reasons, only because overseas, their pharmacy may be different and you're not used to it, so it's always best to bring your own. I always like to remove the excess air out of the packaging before placing them into my bags. So now let's move on to our check-in luggage. So now I'm just kind of shaping out the packing cubes, and again, they're very soft to easy squeezings in between. My black makeup bags are really easy just to put them in like slots, and again, I can put things in between. Then I'm gonna take the soft shoe bags and just place my shoes in between everything, and that's basically it. So now we're moving on to my husband's clothing. I decided to keep the larger packing cubes just because his clothes is a little bit bigger than mine, so it's easier for him to store. I always have to refold his things. Does anyone else have to do that for their man? After everything is all packed up, I always use my luggage covers so I can spot it when it's coming down the conveyor belt with my silly face. I can't forget my air tag because you know my fear of my things separating with me. Then I have a cover of my professional makeup kit, which is this guy here. Don't forget your travel pillow and let's go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is what I take with me on a international trip. Lots of disposable things are very helpful. Although I do pack early, Usually the day before or 2 days before, I'll go through everything else just to double check, also making sure things work, things are charged, because it's definitely not a good feeling if you're at the airport and you need to use something and there's no power or you just don't have access to an outlet. So for everyone else who is traveling out there, safe travels, stay healthy, drink a lot of water. I'm so excited to travel, so I'm going to end the video here. If you guys like videos like these, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I love these types of videos, so I thought it'd be fun to share what I pack. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Also, if you guys want to see my upcoming vlogs, don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!